In this video, I'll show you how you can upload a video from Canva over to TikTok. So let's jump into it. So first you need your video in the TikTok format. So if you're editing your video on Canva, it needs to be in the TikTok format. Now, if you've already edited it and it's not in the TikTok format, you're going to need to recreate it and get it in the TikTok format. Or if you have Pro, I do believe you can change the dimensions. To get it in the TikTok format, you need to go to templates, then type in TikTok video, and it needs to be 1080 by 1920 in the TikTok format. Once you've got it in this format, you can then click share in the top right hand corner. Then you can download it as an MP4 video. And once you've got it downloaded, mine happens to be in my downloads, we can now head over to TikTok to upload this. Now you could also share this with your phone and upload it from your phone device. I'll leave a link showing you exactly how to do that at the end of the video. But for now, here's how you upload it on the computer. So you've got your video downloaded to your computer. You can now go upload once you're on TikTok and you're logged in. Once you click on upload, you can then select the video. So click select videos, then find the video location, then click open. Here you will then see your video on the right. You'll be able to see how long it is and you can add a description. So go ahead and add a description. You can add some hashtags as well. So maybe I'll put hashtag travel, hashtag vlog. I would add up to 5 hashtags, no more than that. You can also upload a cover as well. So if you've designed a cover specifically, you can upload it. If not, you can use a point in your video. So maybe we want this to be the cover. We can then confirm that. You can add a location as well, and you can either post right now or you can schedule it for the future. If you wanted to post it right now, you can choose who can watch the video. If you want it to reach more people, click everyone. And then you've got some other settings here, but you can then click post and your video will be live on TikTok. So that's how to do it. I hope that helped you out.